Yeah. Monday Arts. Listen, Zambia. Breathe. No matter who you voted for, we are still one nation. Let the process finish. Let the Constitution speak. Monday of Hearts. Take a breath, my people, don't let anger lead. Every word that you hear ain't necessarily what you need. Each haze is sorting, let the process take its course. Don't turn the difference of votes into a nation's divorce. Screens full of rumors, WhatsApp full of claims. Somebody posts a headline, suddenly we're calling names. Check what is official, don't believe every voice. A peaceful Zambia is a powerful choice. Politicians come and go, but the people remain. Don't let somebody else's ambition become your pain. Don't fight for a leader who will never fight for you. Protect your life, your neighbor, your family too. If the results are delayed, that doesn't mean the end. Let the legal process work, don't let emotions bend. We can disagree and still protect our home. Zambia belongs to all of us, you're never alone. Stay calm, Zambia, let the process run.
Don't let that propaganda turn brother against son.
No violence, no hate, let the Constitution guide.
It's issue announced, let the process to decide.
Stay safe, stay wise, don't be used for a gain.
From the vision for the problem, Zambia stays the same.
Hold your peace, don't let anger take control.
One Zambia, one people.
Protect every soul. Don't become a weapon in somebody else's fight. Don't burn your future in the middle of the night. A politician can send a message from a guarded room. While you're standing in the street facing danger and doom, ask yourself, who benefits if I lose my peace? Who benefits when the violence starts and the tensions increase? Before you share that message, stop, breathe, verify. Don't spread misinformation just because it sounds right. Fake results, fake statements, edited clips can turn a peaceful nation into panic real quick. Don't forward propaganda just to prove you're loyal. Truth needs no shouting and peace needs no turmoil. Listen to official updates, follow lawful advice. Don't let social media gamble with your life. Your vote is your voice, your life is worth more. Don't let political pressure push you into a war.
Stay down, Zambia.
Let the process run.
Don't let propaganda turn brother against son.
No violence, no hate, let the Constitution guide.
Detention announced, let the process decide.
Stay safe, stay wise, don't be used for a game.
Politicians may change, but Zambia stays the same.
Hold your peace, don't let anger take control.
One Zambia, one people.
Protect every soul. Slow down. Put the phone down. Take a breath. Yeah. Ask before you share. Think before you act. Verify before you react. Your politician has security. Your politician has lawyers. Your politician has people around them. You have a life to protect. So don't sacrifice your future for somebody else's political ambition. Let the Constitution guide us. Let the institutions do their work. Let the Electoral Commission announce through the proper process. And when the answer comes, whatever that answer may be, we face tomorrow together. This is bigger than a party, bigger than a seat, bigger than a slogan shouted loudly in the streets. It's mothers, it's fathers, it's children at home, it's farmers in the fields and students on the road. It's artists with a canvas, it's workers with a dream. It's every Zambian trying to build something clean. Don't destroy tomorrow, trying to win today. Peace is not weakness, it's strength on display. If your side wins, don't mock those who lost. If your side loses, don't let anger count the cost. Respect the results and respect lawful review. Democracy is stronger when we follow it through. No politician should convince you your neighbor is your foe, because after every election life continues to flow. So Zambia, stand firm but stand peacefully. Let truth rise above the noise, let justice speak clearly.
Stay calm, Zambia.
Let the process run.
Give up, propaganda turn brother against son.
No violence, no hate, let the Constitution guide it.
Detention will announce, let the process decide.
Stay safe, stay wise, don't be used for a game.
Politicians may change, but Zambia stays the same.
Hold your peace, don't let every Zambian, your vote matters, your voice matters, but your life matters too. Don't be manipulated, don't spread unverified information. Don't commit fighting for anybody. Let the law speak. Let the prostitution guide. Let the process finish.